Check out this method for making high-quality vinyl stickers using an inkjet printer and a Cricut machine. So the first thing you need to do is get your image loaded into Cricut Design Space as a print then cut image. Now I'm not going to go over that here. This isn't going to be a Cricut tutorial, so I'm going to assume you already know your way around that. When you're ready to actually print the stickers, the settings you use are going to be very dependent upon your specific printer. So there's going to be some experimentation you're going to have to do at this phase for sure to get things just kind of dialed in just right. I'm using an Epson Artisan 837, so these are the settings that I'm using. And I'll leave a link to the specific vinyl sticker paper that I'm using in the description below. So next I'm going to add some transparent vinyl. This is an extra protective layer and really makes the stickers shine nice. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can get this as well. You'll notice here that I just kind of cut off the end of the backing here. This allows me to line up the vinyl before I actually press it down nicely, and then I can just press the one end down. It makes it a lot easier to apply it and not get any air bubbles in there. Next, I'm taking my scraper and just very lightly kind of pressing the rest of the vinyl over the top of the stickers. I'm not putting much pressure on here. It's just enough to get it applied with no air bubbles. This part's where the real magic is. I've got a little nub of silicone wrapped up in a small piece of t-shirt, and I'm just using it to lightly rub on the stickers and press out any remaining air pockets. And it's not even really air pockets, it just removes that streaky look to it and gives it a nice finish. Next, get your Cricut mat, put the stickers on it, press it down nice, and let's get ready to put it through the machine. So I'm using a Cricut Explorer Air 2 machine, and I'll just take a second here to show you the settings that I'm using to cut through this. You can really take any one of these and modify them as you like. This is the one I'm using. So I'm having it cut twice and putting everything basically on the maximum pressure, and that seems to just be the best way to ensure that it cuts through nicely. So then we'll load it into the machine. It's going to do the whole scan thing and detect those corner edges. And away she goes. I usually try to check to make sure that it's actually cut through before I take the mat out. And if it isn't cut through, just press the go button again and let it run through once more and you should be fine. Now, when you're peeling the rest of the excess paper away from the stickers, you're going to want to take your time so you don't tear the backing and make a mess for yourself to have to clean up with scissors later. Then from here, it's really to just use your tool and method of choice to peel the stickers off the backing carefully, and you're done. There you have it, folks. Nice, good quality vinyl stickers. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for sticking around.